Hi, I'm Robin Schlager, and I'm running for Councilor at Large on the Partnership Montclair team. My family and I have lived in Montclair for 15 years. I have a 10th grader at Montclair High School and an 8th grader at Glenfield Middle School. My passion for this town has always been its educational system. I was proud to have been the PTA president at Nishwain School and the Hillside School for over 5 years. I'm also currently the Associate Director of the Montclair Fund for Educational Excellence, a nonprofit that's been together for 15 years raising money for the Montclair Public Schools. I'm also the co-manager of the Montclair Stars all-girls traveling softball team. I love the Montclair Public School system. My family has been in the system for 11 years and it's been a wonderful experience. I'm a big advocate for the schools, but at the same time, I feel we need to rein in costs of our budget with new efficiencies and innovative thinking. If you'd like to learn more about me and the Partnership Montclair team, visit us at partnershipmontclair.com. And remember to vote Tuesday, May 13th.